Hi there, my name is Daniel, and today I want to talk about Entity Framework Core Interceptors. Let's go. Today we are diving into EF Core Interceptors. Interceptors in EF Core are powerful tools that let you hook into the database operations your application performs. They allow you to monitor, modify, or even log SQL queries, transaction events, connection activities, and more. Let's check our program. I have a simple web API, .NET 8 web API here, and I created one entity as user. User entity has ID and name columns. And also we have user controller, and user controller has get list, add, update, delete, and get by ID methods. Let's check our application DB context. I set our user entity here. I want to talk about later for these columns. Let's go with interceptors folder. First of all, I want to talk about login connection interceptor. In our login connection interceptor, we saw this interceptor inherited from DB connection interceptor. And here we have a iLogger interface. After this, we can override connection open, connection closed, and connection failed methods. If you want to use another methods, maybe you can check all the methods here. But today I want to talk about these ones. Maybe you can also change the log messages. Okay, let's go to another one. If you want to check your performance, your program, you can also use this interceptor. This interceptor also inherited from DB command interceptor. Uh, we have iLogger interface here at the same thing like this, and we can override reader executing, and this one's async method here. Let's go third one. Logging say changes interceptor. If you want to use add method or update method, you need to save changes your method for show your show your record to database. Let's check this method. This interceptor inherited from save changes interceptor here, and we have iLogger interface here also, and we can override saving changes async, save changes after the save operation, and save changes async. This one's async methods here. And also, if your save changes operation failed, you can override this method and you can lock your file. If you want to change or if you want to use another methods, maybe you can check here. What are these? Maybe you can use throwing concurrency exception, or this one's async method like this. Let's go. Let's go with logging transaction interceptor or logging transaction interceptor inherited from DB transaction interceptor. Uh, in this interceptor, we can override transaction committed, transaction rollback, transaction failed, or what are another ones? Created save points. There are also release save point. There are also transaction failed, transaction used, blah blah blah. Yeah, if you want to check, you can try. Okay, our methods here, and after all the defines, maybe we can go one more time, application DB context in on configure method, where we need to set all the interceptors here. We defined our loggers here. After all the things, when we set our interceptor need to logger, and we defined like this. Let's check our program.cs file. I configure our Verilog configuration here in logs folder, and in it log dot our or date log dot today's date dot txt file. We can show all the logs here. All after this, maybe we can practice here. Let's go. Let's run our application and try what are going on. Let's see. Our Swagger comes truly right now. We are waiting, and here we go. Our Swagger here. Maybe first of all, we can start with a post query. Let's go. A name. My name is Yiğit Daniel. Execute, and our methods comes truly. Let's show the log file. Open folder in File Explorer here, and we have Core Interceptor logs, and here we go. Our text file here, logger file here. When we want to solve, let's check in our controller and add method. You see the save changes method, but in logging save changes interceptor, we log this file. What we want to see, first of all, we want to see saving changes for our database. Our database name is Core Interceptors also. After this, we want to solve save changes for Core Interceptors. Let's check. First of all, saving changes for Core interceptors here, and after the save operation, we see save changes for Core interceptors here. Our interceptors runs truly. Let's try one more query. Our get operation, maybe we can execute this file, and our all users comes truly here. The last one, Daniel, we created before. Let's check what we want to solve. We want to say logging performance interceptors. In this class, we override reader executing async method, and this one's common type and common text. Let's check our log file, and this one common type and our query here. All the interceptions runs thoroughly here. If you want to specialize your log messages, you can change, and if you want to check all the repository, I uploaded my GitHub repo. You can see, and today we talked about Core interceptors. Basically, if you want to ask something, or if you want to suggest something, you can make comment after the video. Thanks for a lot for watching and listening to me. See you.